Hey guys, this is the unboxing of the NMEA 0183 audio cable. It's 11-pin cable. GPS maps. It's for the 8400 series or 8600 series chart plotters. This is Garmin part number 010-12852-00. This cable allows you to hook up audio. So you have a 11-pin connector. This connects to your chart plotter itself. Then you have your RCA jacks. And you have got 8 individual wires. So if you're needing to add audio in or out, this allows you to do that on your 8400 series or 8600 series chart plotters. And this is on the NMEA 0183 network setup.